How to play Cookie Run Kingdom on your PC. So first, let's use the most popular Android emulator to play Cookie Run Kingdom on PC. So search for BlueStacks here. So once you click here, install the emulator that makes this possible. So once you're on the BlueStacks homepage, install it. But since it's already installed, we will open it. So now that we are in BlueStacks, we will open System Apps and go to Play Store. So we'll search for Cookie Run Kingdom and download it here. But since it's already installed, we will click Play. So now we'll just wait for it to load, and that's it. You have downloaded and you're ready to enjoy Cookie Run Kingdom on your PC.